Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to let you guys know that you have another video to look forward to. I know some people don't like the cleaning videos, so I wanted to give you guys an update that tomorrow I was invited by my car salesman who sold me this to go to a car meet for Mopar. So hopefully I'll have 500 miles by the time I get down there, and we will do launch control. And my salesman also owns a red eye, so I can hopefully get some roll races for you guys and kind of see like a difference, which I don't think you're going to see a big difference. I mean, it's only 10 horsepower, but other than that, you know, a lot of people are also making some comments about like the house and the car costs more than the house and whatnot. I'm not the only one that lives here. This is not just my house. You know, me and my girlfriend are actually in the process of buying a piece of land and getting a house built. So for all the people who want to make a joke that the car costs more than a house, it's not 100% my house, and I'm not the only one that lives here. And that's why like the garage is like that, because 90% of the garage is stuff that's not mine. I'm not just gonna throw it out of the garage when it's not mine. That's not right. So for all those people who want to make that joke, maybe because they have a house but don't have a Hellcat, and I don't own a house fully and have a Hellcat, I don't know what the reasoning is for the smart comment. But when my house gets built, or at least when I buy one, we'll compare houses at that point. We'll see how everyone's doing. So, but yeah, so, and maybe that'll be a couple videos in the future. That's a couple years down the road. So if this all takes off, then you guys will be along for the journey. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow for a Mopar meetup. Thank you.